Alright guys, just a quick tutorial when you're introducing a mated queen. This just so happens to be a breeder queen. They come straight up off the frames. They're working the cage. Look at their butts up in the air. They're fanning, letting everybody know that mama's there. This hive has been queenless for, I don't know, 18 hours. But one of the true indications is, look at this, they're not trying to sting through the cage, they're not attacking the cage, they're not trying to suffocate her. Basically, they've already accepted this girl. But seeing that she is a breeder queen, she will be left in the cage for 3 days. Like I said, this 18 hours. Now, if they had not already accepted her and like her, you couldn't, taking my finger and doing this, you couldn't get the bees off of that cage. They would be on that cage like Velcro. It's an overcast, rainy day. These are my Buckfast stock bees, and that is a Martha Carpenter. From New River Honeybees. What I'll do is take the hive tool, split these two middle frames apart, because these frames, this one all the way over to here, are brood frames. That one is the honey and pollen stores. This is one of my 6-frame mating boxes that you turn into a double 3-frame. It's kind of fun trying to do this with one hand and a camera. But like I said, look at them, they're already just fanning away. They get out of the way of my finger when I rove around, so they're happy with her. You can see her. She's a blue girl. Can go ahead and just, for you guys that have never seen how to install these 3-hole cage or 3-slot cages, you do them face down. You leave the plugs in both ends. The candy's on this end. 3 days, I'll come out. If they're still accepting her and wanting her, I'll take the cork out of this end and let them eat through the candy, and she'll take over the hive. You guys have a great day. I've got 2 more to go. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Share these videos. Hopefully I've helped somebody along. Bye.